Sasargo ang kapitan ng Parañaque Kings, Reynel Salinel. They are on the hill.
Oh, that was close. Successful break though. Parang may pumasok na bola.
Yeah, may pumasok dito.
Nagkwekwentuhan pa sila, narinig ko. Nagpaparinig sila kay Rowell Omay para talaga ma-distract tong si Rowell Omay. Pero kita mo naman yun. Itong si Reynel Salinel. Nicely done. Great shot from Salinel. Very touchy. Bouncing off the side rail. Pwedeng tamaan din yung 9. Like so. Of tonight's race to 13. Pero parang nakaramdam si Rowell Omay dun, ha? Hindi ako nag-safe to say, ha? Rowell Omay, ha? Para ka namang... yes.
By the looks of things.
By the looks of things so far, since yun na nga, 3 bola na lang natitira dito para sa kuponan ng Parañaque Kings. And again, this might be the best performance so far shown by the Parañaque Kings.
Using their extension dito sa 7 ball.
Tinahimingan talaga. Pero look at Omay. Unfaced. Bale, wala. Corner. Pocket. 9 ball. Para masira ang sumpa ng Parañaque Kings na hindi pa nananalo since January, since the start of the year. Here we go. At lahat ng yan, magbabago na simula ngayon because Parañaque has secured their first win of the year.